Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for economics. To truly excel, you need a comprehensive approach. We'll cover essential strategies to help you grasp complex ideas, apply economic models effectively, and develop the critical thinking skills necessary for success. This guide will provide a clear roadmap, ensuring you're well prepared for any challenge economics presents. Let's dive in and unlock your full potential. Effective study techniques are crucial for mastering economics. Begin by creating thorough notes and concise summaries for every unit, reinforcing your understanding. Next, practice extensively with past exam papers. This helps you manage your time and identify common question patterns. Finally, consider forming study groups to discuss challenging concepts and gain new perspectives from your peers. These methods will significantly enhance your learning. To truly succeed, you must master the core economic concepts. Focus on microeconomics, understanding principles such as supply, demand, and market structures. Simultaneously, delve into macroeconomics, grasping key indicators like gross domestic product, inflation, and unemployment. Don't forget to explore international trade and economic development, as these areas often connect broader global issues. A solid foundation in these areas is absolutely essential. As exam day approaches, focus on readiness. Regularly review all economic formulas and graphical representations, ensuring you can reproduce and explain them accurately. Dedicate time to practicing essay writing, honing your ability to construct clear, well-supported economic arguments. Finally, remember to maintain a positive mindset and manage any study stress effectively. A calm and confident approach will significantly boost your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.